Chapter 1.3 is on variables and expressions. For variables and expressions, a variable is a letter that stands for an unspecified number from a given set of numbers. And unless you're told differently, the domain should be all real numbers. An expression, however, is variables and constants connected by operations, and an expression stands for. A variable could be n or x. An expression would be 3n plus 2 or 4x plus 3, where the whole expression equals a certain number that has not been clarified. So the axioms that we discussed in the previous section only apply to addition and multiplication. So because of that, you have to rewrite subtraction, division, and exponentiation in terms of multiplication and addition. So subtraction can be rewritten as the opposite of addition. So you have a stereotypical subtraction of x minus y can be written as x plus negative y. And because of that, it's rewritten as addition. And likewise, you have division and exponentiation that have to be rewritten as, in this case, multiplication. So division, if you have x over y, it can be written as x times 1 over y, making it multiplication. And exponentiation, if you have the expression x to the fourth, same thing as saying x times x times x times x, making it multiplication again. Okay, now say you have the equation 7x squared times 2 divided by x, and you're supposed to solve it for when x equals 4. So what you first want to do is change the division into multiplication. So you can go 7x squared times 2 times 1 over x. And then you can use the commutative property to move the 1 over x around. And then the associative property to group that. And then exponentiation simplifies it to 7x x 1 over x in parentheses times 2. And then you see you have x times 1 over x. We know that equals 1. So you have 7x times 2, because you have to rewrite the 2, which then equals 14x. You can use the associativity property. And you substitute in the x equals 4. So you have 14 times 4. And then the answer is 56. That's how you simplify an expression.